Hey there, stargazers, are you ready for an astronomical treat? On the night of March 13th to 14th, 2025, we're in for a spectacular show, a total lunar eclipse, also known as the bloodworm moon. Now let's dive into the details. The totality phase starts at 2:26 a.m. Eastern Time on March 14th. That's 11:26 p.m. Pacific Time on March 13th or 0626 GMT, and it will last for a captivating 66 minutes. So set those alarms or brew some coffee because this is one celestial event you won't want to miss. But where should you be for the best view? If you're in the lower Great Lakes, Ohio Valley, Central Plains, or Texas, you're in luck. These areas are forecasted to have the clearest skies. Grab your binoculars, lay out a blanket, and enjoy the show. Unfortunately, not all locations will offer a perfect view. If you're on the Pacific Coast, think Washington, Oregon, and California, you might have clouds blocking your view thanks to the marine layer. Same goes for the Gulf Coast. Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and the Florida Panhandle are expected to have low clouds. And for those along the I-95 corridor from Virginia to Maine, an offshore weather disturbance might bring clouds. But don't fret. If you're inland, west, or north of I-95, you should have clearer skies. In the regions stretching from Montana to eastern Arizona and western New Mexico, a storm system could bring clouds and precipitation, so you might need to travel a bit if you're in these spots. If you miss this one, don't worry. The next total lunar eclipse visible from North America is just around the corner on March 3rd, 2026. So grab your gear, find your spot, and enjoy the mystical bloodworm moon. Remember to subscribe for more celestial updates. Clear skies and happy stargazing.